Did you know you can buy OEM appliance parts directly from us? Here's why that matters. What we carry: original manufacturer parts for Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, KitchenAid, Kenmore, Amana, Electrolux, Bosch, and more. Water filters, door gaskets, heating elements, igniters, thermal fuses, belts, fan motors, and hundreds of other common parts. Why buy from a local repair company? First, we guarantee the right part for your model. Bring your model number or call us with it and we'll confirm compatibility before you buy. Second, no shipping wait. When we have the part in stock, you pick it up same day. No waiting for delivery. Third, if you need the part installed, we can do that too. Buy the part and schedule installation in one call. Fourth, expert advice. We'll tell you honestly whether the repair is worth doing yourself or if you should have a tech do it. Some parts are easy to swap. Others require technical knowledge and tools. For DIY repairs, we're happy to sell you just the part. No judgment. If it's a simple swap like a water filter, door gasket, or dryer belt, we'll even give you quick pointers on installation. For full-service repairs, we supply and install the part with our standard labor warranty. OEM parts available for all major brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.